Hello guys, Switch here with another app, another miner today. It's called the Kolobok miner, and as you can see, I'm actually currently mining. So every 3 hours, I believe so, it's 3 hours or 4 hours, I don't remember now. But either way, every 3 or 4 hours you can basically click this for farming. You will receive some rewards for your efforts, and then you can farm again basically by clicking this button here. Other than that, I think it's like super self-explanatory. We have some tasks to do. Get welcome bonus up to for deposit, so I'm not going to deposit anything. So probably that's why I didn't receive that reward, and probably you are not going to do this either. So I don't know, we just need to check this, I guess. Other tab is the basically leader board. So yes, I'm super low, 90,257, but I just started recently. Then we have some apps to play. But I don't know, we are going to have some rewards, and somebody had me actually use my ref, although I didn't really. This is like first video I talking about this, but I guess you can just go through the referral links, because that's what I said. Like my refs, it's not just some random shit. Basically, all the refs below every video, it's basically genuinely I'm running every app, and I will try to do as much as possible to figure it out. Do we can actually make any profit without spending any money? So that's like my goal for this year, to run as much as possible, as many as possible. And some of those apps we will need to have some assets to unlocked, such some miners. They usually need around half ton, but I don't have an exchange, and also I don't really want to fuck around with an exchange, just simply because I'm living in UK and the Telegram it's sort of locked for UK. So I don't even know how you can actually buy the ton, to be honest with you, but not like I really care, because at the end of the day, if, let's say for argument's sake, we are going to make fuckloads of profit by playing apps and games somehow, I don't know, 10 years from now, we're just simply gonna fucking move to the country where the wallet is supported so easy. I don't know, I mean, for me it's like easy, like no brainer. You're just gonna fucking move there where it's supported, to the country where it's supported, and fuck it. But right now it's more like just a fun, and I'm just having fun with playing apps, and it's amazing. And on top of that, we can actually win something from the raffles, like for example the BOINKERS app or the BUMS, which I recently won. Amazing amount of 0.2 ton. But still something. So you can actually win some small amounts on ton, and then if you're smart enough, you will know how to allocate them to the different apps and eventually actually make a profit from this. That's the idea. We'll see how it goes. And then we have the wallet, which I like the idea. They're actually telling you when is going to be airdrop. So airdrop is going to be 54 days, 5 hours, 9 minutes and 31 seconds from now. Airdrop criteria: stars purchase, inviting friends, required task completion. So yeah, I need to complete some tasks, which I'm not really fond of, to go to some website and pay for anything at all. So yeah, we'll see about that. Other than that, the star purchase, I guess we could buy something. There's actually something to buy here. Then we have some games to play. So I will carry on with checking every app within this app to play, but I'm not going to top up anything. So checking those games definitely, because at the end of the day, that's what I want to do. I want to play as many apps as possible, but every app I'm choosing, I need to like to play. So it's not just an app, because then I will just end up with some shitty apps. And I genuinely believe every app I choose is actually, well, I like them, so there's going to be lots of people who will like those apps as well. If I'm gonna choose some random shit, like nobody really wanna play random shit. So yeah, I will just try to hook you up with some good apps. So this is like self-explanatory. It's nothing really much to do. You're just running this. I'm running this app on my laptop, and just every now and then, actually it's 3 hours I think, or 4 hours, I'm just going and pressing the climb points and farm points, and pretty much that's it. So yeah, just feel free to go through my referral link and to add this game. And I'm not going to talk much more because there's nothing to talk to. And just a few seconds of your time, guys, I just want to mention about the TOYGERS app, why it's so excited, why it's so exciting, and why you should start to play. First thing first, thank you very much for those 10 people who actually join me through my referral link. Obviously, I will have 9% of your grinding efforts will go to my account, which you're supposed to be happy about this, because all the rewards I will receive from those points are going to be on the giveaway. So I will try to do like 2 variants of giveaway. Some like exclusive stuff I will receive is going to be for exclusive giveaway, but I will try to do 3 giveaways as well. I don't know when that's going to happen. I don't know when I'm going to receive anything, because, well, there's nothing announced. But one thing you can be certain is when you are going to grind your own points, you will receive your own stuff from the TOYGERS, because the idea is to send you, or send everybody who are basically playing, stuff such as hats, hoodies, other toys, gloves, some candle sets, lots of stuff. That's why I'm super excited about this, because, well, this is like the first app ever I came across. They actually will genuinely give you stuff for free. Although, yeah, for points, so it's not really like free. You still have to either grind or somehow manage to get those points. But either way, you know already you can use these points to basically redeem stuff, which is fucking amazing. Another stuff, you have 20 days to unlock your toy builder. Toy builder will grant you 10,000 points per day just for doing nothing. You just need to log in 20 days in the row to click that button here. Then another exciting stuff is actually the toy builder will grant you ability to build the toy, but I don't really can't tell you anything more than that because just simply I didn't unlock yet, so I'm not able to say anything. But obviously I wish to build my own toy, I wish to buy this toy and promote this toy, and I wish to promote the TOYGERS app every day, because I just see their vision is just fucking amazing. It's just amazing because those points as well we are going to be able to use in the game which they are developing right now, and obviously like the every other game in the Web3 on ecosystem, yes, we are going to get some rewards with the TON currency. So, or either it's going to be yacht currency, so they're gonna transform those points into crypto. I don't know what's the plan, because they didn't announce everything yet, but like you can read along the lines like this is not just an app to buy a toy. It's actually, they have like vision to do like fuckloads of stuff here. Another thing, like if you actually decide to buy the toys, like I actually bought few toys already. So first thing first, you will have something to unlock if you purchase one toy. I don't know what's that, like they didn't really announce, they just said they're just gonna give you something. And I think the reason they didn't really announce, so they don't really want people to know, but I don't know, it's either way, well, I will tell you anyway. So I don't know what's that. I'm just judging that's gonna be unlocked in the same time where the toy builder is going to finish. So I assume 3 days from now I will have the everything unlocked for you guys. So stay tuned for this one. Obviously there is separate playlist already on my channel, because I just strongly believe this is going to be huge. This is going to be fucking massive, and people just don't understand this because there is not really big community. It's like 60,000 people right now, or 70,000 people, which is nothing compared to other apps like we can count in millions. And here, because people just see the basically the app, and they just see, okay, it's like sort of shop, so you can buy the toys, and they probably don't bother to read through the whole Telegram and whole X newses, because on the first glance it's like nothing really much, right? It's like we have the toys, we don't really want to spend money on the toys, and then we have some wheel to grind, and like, okay, so what I can do with this? But I'm just telling you right now, just grind those fucking points, because you will be able to redeem some nice stuff. So Other than that, if you're actually going to buy the toys, you can go to your collection tab and then you can press on the toy, and then every toy will have something like collect. You can see this because that's below. It's overlay covering this, but basically you will have collect yacht, and every 24 hours you can click on every toy and collect 20,000 points, which is fucking massive, obviously. So yeah, I just hope for like super good things going to happen from using this app and to grinding the points. So obviously you wanna do this on daily basis. Well, I'm not telling you like do this all the time, but definitely you wanna grind points because they are going to be super useful for game and goodies. So obviously if you want to acquire some nice stuff, and we're talking about the jewelry even, so, and it's not going to be a plastic jewelry, it's going to be some high-end stuff, because they genuinely trying to do everything like by hand, right? So like as you can see on the video on the corner, so how to show this, but you know what I mean. Like, so basically, yeah, it's everything is handmade, so it's going to be super cool. Okie dokie. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. See you guys in the next video. Tomorrow I have a list. Tomorrow is going to be I don't know what's going to be. It's going to be super fucking amazing game. Actually, I like that game, so stay tuned for this one. Okay, so take care. Bye for now.